guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make oats and vegetable omelette. Please subscribe to my channel to get more healthy recipe updates.
For making the oats and vegetable omelette, you need 2 eggs. Whisk it slightly with a whisk or a spoon. Add 2 tablespoons of milk to the whisked egg. Add finely chopped capsicum, grated carrot, finely chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, quarter cup of powdered oats, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon pepper powder. You can also use green chilies. Now give it all a good mix. Apply a teaspoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, pour the egg mixture to make a perfect round. Cook this on both sides until it is light golden brown.
This oats and vegetable omelette makes a very healthy breakfast. I hope that you try this oats and vegetable omelette recipe and I would like to hear your comments. Please make sure to subscribe to lots more delicious and healthy recipes. Thank you.